Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lefree 3rd Generation Expandable Garden Hose. So this is it right here. Here is the instruction manual. Feel free to check out the unboxing video. That'll be in a card up here. It was packed very well. I was very impressed. This is a cool product. It is a rubber hose, has a lifetime warranty. Came with all kinds of extra stuff, extra gaskets. It came with a nozzle, came with brass fittings, and like I said, an instruction manual. It also came with a hook and a holder. So what you need to do is turn off this valve to get started. Make sure that's closed. Then you're going to turn on the hose, let this fill up and fully expand. Then we're going to drain the hose. Then we're going to turn the valve again, let it fill up, fully expand, drain it, and then we are ready to use it. So if you want to see a review of this product, of what I think about it, that is going to be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. You can check that out up here in this card. So that'll be cool. Right now, let's get started. Keep your eye on this. I'm going to turn on the hose. All right, so here we are. You can see it's expanding like a big snake. It's getting very, very firm. I'm not quite sure how big it'll go. I hope that at some point it'll stop, but I guess we'll just see what happens. All right, well, it looks like it stopped growing. It has pretty much quadrupled in size. It is really, really solid. The only thing is it's kind of only like a 1/4 inch hose. This is a 3/4 inch valve, but it's a 1/4 inch hose. Still a lot of water goes through. Let's just test this out. Oh. Okay, the nozzle is still on. The faucet is still on. So it's interesting that while the hose is in use, it shrinks that small. But we're supposed to drain it out, let it go through. I could shut the hose faucet off and let this run, but I'm just going to leave it open, and then it said to allow this to happen one more time. So let's turn this off now. We'll let it expand. I suppose this just gets it all ready for use so that it is used to having the water flowing through. But man, what a cool thing. If you have it open, it really shrinks down nicely. If you have it closed like this, it really expands. Even full of water, this is very, very lightweight. The whole thing maybe weighs 10 or 15 pounds. So let's test out this nozzle here. This is pretty cool. We're going to spin this on. Not quite following the instructions exactly. You're supposed to drain the water a second time before you put this on, but that's okay. We are going to just drain it through here. Soaker, put it on jet. Ready for this. And there it goes. So pretty cool. Cone, shower, a lot of pressure, a lot of power on this. Flat, full, center. Uh-oh. Half flat or something. It's a little worn there. Mist, angle, soaker, and back to jet. So pretty cool. Again, check out the review video. That's going to be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. I hope you hit the like button on this video. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos, and the bell icon as well. And that will help you out. If you need one of these hoses, I think it's a great value. Check it out in the link in the description below. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below as well. And again, I hope you hit that subscribe, like, and bell icon to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. Thank you.